right, you know, no further ado, I say let's build this thing. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, the MultiRotorMania Switchblade. I should actually check online and see if it actually is what it is. But this is the one with the 5mm arms. I think they make one with a 4mm arms. But let's check it out. We got a top plate. And I assume this is the bottom plate. Or would it be this way? Yep, it would be that way. The bottom plate. A couple of standoff type things. And another type. Let's see if we can figure it out. Right? I opted for the green. He had a lot of colors. Guy Brian. That's gotta be it. It's gotta be it. Let's see, did I pick the right length? That's the bottom, but I can flip it. But then the nuts will be down. And that's okay for this. So we're doing so good. We're doing pretty good so far. But I'm not sure I'm using the correct screws in my build correctly. A lot of square quads coming out pretty soon. Not square, yeah, square, but reinforced. And I know he had one or two, and a few other people had ones that were also that way. I'm going to put this in this way just to hold it so I can get the one that goes in the other way. Alright. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay, so now we're going to flip it. And that screw doesn't reach. No, that screw doesn't reach. Let's see where we go from here. Let me pull out this one. Well, I assume this goes up and back like that. And this is that. I get it. These are upside down. These must be the small ones. It's hard to see it here, but here it is. Let me see if I can get another light on it. Put those final screws in. And this screw just don't make it, does it? Let's try it. Let's try it. It does make it. Now, I would put the nut on the bottom like that. It just has enough purchase. Or am I doing something wrong? God, I love it. That's why I picked one up. So that's the quick build of the MultiRotorMania Switchblade 5-inch. Awesome. Cooper, where are you at? Come here. Come here. Little good girl.